and welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in India. Here's what we'll go through. Investment Declaration and Proofs. CTC Structure. Compliance Documents. National Pension Scheme. Harassment in the Workplace. Training. Investment Declaration and Proofs. During onboarding, you'll need to declare all your planned investments in the Additional Payroll Details section. This is a mandatory step. You'll get a chance to resubmit these details in your very first week, and we'll email you the exact steps then. Finally, just so you know, every year in January or February, we'll send out an announcement for you to submit all your actual investment proofs. CTC Structure. Deel follows a standard salary structure, which means the breakdown of your CTC can't be changed individually. You will automatically be enrolled into PF contributions, and only employee contribution is deducted from the employee salary. Our salary breakup is made of tax-saving components, which are tax-free to the extent of the allowances. Compliance Documents. You will have to submit a number of documents during your onboarding stage, including your government IDs, address proof, and right-to-work documents. We also ask you to submit details around your PF contributions by submitting a copy of your PF passbook from the EPFO website. In case you do not have a PF account previously, you can submit a signed acknowledgement stating the same. National Pension Scheme. The National Pension Scheme, or NPS, is an optional benefit for your long-term retirement savings. You can choose to opt in at any point during the year. If enrollment is completed by 10th of the month, contributions will start for the same month. If you complete your enrollment by the 10th of a month, contributions will start that same month. If it's after the 10th, contributions will begin the following month. To join, simply opt in via the Deel platform. Our partner, Onboard, will then contact you by phone to help complete your registration. Harassment in the Workplace. Training. You'll need to complete our mandatory Harassment in the Workplace training. You'll receive an email invitation from Deel within 7 days of your start date. The training is available within the Learning Journey section of the Deel platform. You can complete the modules at your own pace, but please make sure to finish the entire training within 60 days of receiving your invitation. Benefits. Insurance. Please note that insurance is an optional benefit. If your client has opted you into an insurance plan, you will find details under the Benefits tab in Deel. It is crucial to be aware that once you receive the welcome email from the insurance provider, you have 30 days to enroll your dependents. If dependents are not enrolled within this timeframe, you will only be able to add them during our annual renewal period. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel.